How to manage state campaign finance reporting deadlines. Managing state campaign finance reporting deadlines can seem tricky at first, but with a clear plan, it becomes much easier. Let's walk through what you need to know to stay on top of your filings. First, every state has its own rules about when reports are due. These include pre-primary and pre-general election reports, which cover contributions and expenses from a set period before the election. For example, some states requiring these reports between 39 and 32 days before the election day. Then there are year-end or semi-annual reports, which cover all financial activity for the entire year or half-year, even if no election is happening. Another important report is the 48-hour or late contribution report. This is filed when a contribution above a certain amount, often $1,000, is received close to an election. These reports must be filed within 48 hours of receiving the contribution. Since each state sets its own deadlines, it's essential to check the official website of the state's Secretary of State or Election Board. They publish the official campaign finance calendar and detailed filing instructions. This helps you know exactly when each report is due and what information it must include. To stay organized, create a campaign finance account on the state's online portal early. Most states offer electronic filing options, which are faster and reduce errors. Registering early also gives you access to the necessary forms and instructions. Keep detailed records of every contribution and expenditure right from the start. Use a spreadsheet or accounting software to track amounts, dates, and contributor details. Accurate records make completing reports much easier and help avoid mistakes. Mark all deadlines on a shared calendar that your team can access. Set reminders a few days before each due date to review and prepare your reports. This way, you avoid last-minute rushes. Be aware that missing a deadline can lead to fines or penalties, which increase the longer the delay. Knowing this encourages timely filing. If you're unsure about any part of the process, many states have campaign finance specialists or advisory services to help clarify your questions. Whenever possible, file reports electronically. This method speeds up processing and gives immediate confirmation that your report was received. Always double-check your entries for accuracy before submitting. Confirm contributor names, contribution amounts, and dates are correct. Finally, stay updated on any changes to campaign finance laws or deadlines. Laws can change from year to year, so regularly check official sources to ensure your campaign remains compliant. Managing these deadlines well is key to running a transparent, compliant campaign. Early planning, organized record keeping, and using official resources will help you stay ahead. Proper management not only keeps you in legal good standing but also builds trust with your donors and supporters.